What if I told you that you can smoke a perfect brisket, the kind that wins competitions without ever touching the fire? No charcoal, no propane, no hours of babysitting the temperature. Electric smokers have completely changed the backyard barbecue game, and today I'm showing you the absolute best ones money can buy. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pitmaster, one of these machines will seriously upgrade your cooking forever. The Masterbuilt 40-inch digital electric smoker is one of the most popular electric smokers on the market right now. And after diving deep into reviews, user experiences, and the specs, I can tell you exactly why. First, the space. You're getting 970 square inches of cooking space across 4 chrome racks. That's enough to smoke up to 8 racks of ribs, 4 whole turkeys, or 8 pork butts in a single cook. The vertical body design pushes heat and smoke evenly from top to bottom, so every piece of meat gets the same smoky treatment. Reviewers consistently praise how even the results are across all 4 racks. The digital control panel lets you dial in temperatures anywhere from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 275 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments. That level of control is usually only found on high-end pellet grills. And the patented side wood chip loader? That's the standout feature. You add wood chips mid-smoke without ever cracking the door, so you keep every ounce of heat and smoke locked in for maximum flavor. Whether you're smoking your very first brisket or feeding a crowd at the weekend cookout, this smoker makes it easy, consistent, and incredibly delicious. The link is in the description. Go grab yours and let's get smoking. The Cuisinart 30-inch electric smoker, and I can tell you straight up, this thing is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly smokers on the market right now. You're getting 548 square inches of cooking space across 3 adjustable chrome racks. That's enough to smoke a 9-pound brisket, multiple racks of ribs, a whole salmon fillet, and jerky all in the same cook. And here's what makes this smoker special. The 3-rack spacing is wider than most competitors in this class, which means you can actually fit tall cuts like a Boston butt pork shoulder without removing a shelf and wasting space. The 1500-watt heating element pushes temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a wider range than most electric smokers out there. Independent reviewers found it heats from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit in just 12 minutes, and it holds temperature within 20 degrees throughout the entire cook. The built-in front door thermometer means you never have to open the door and lose heat just to check on your food. Plus, the removable water pan, wood chip tray, and dishwasher-safe chrome racks make cleanup quick and painless. Backed by a 3-year warranty and trusted by the same brand that has been in your kitchen for decades, the Cuisinart 30 inches electric smoker is the smart, no-fuss way to start smoking like a pro. The link is in the description below. Grab yours and let's get cooking. The Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545 digital charcoal grill and smoker delivers. Launched in early 2024 and already winning top product awards, this grill is changing the way backyard cooks think about charcoal. Here's how it works. Load up to 5 pounds of lumped charcoal or 7 pounds of briquettes into the mini hopper, set your desired temperature on the digital control panel or the Masterbuilt app, and press the Quick Start automatic ignition button. That's it. The digital fan takes over from there, feeding the fire with exactly the right amount of oxygen to lock in and hold your temperature. Reviewers found it reaches cooking temperature in as little as 10 minutes once the charcoal gets going, and it holds that temperature steady within just 2 to 3 degrees. On a full hopper, it can sustain heat for up to 8 hours of cooking. You're working with 545 square inches of cast iron cooking space, enough for 26 burgers, 4 racks of ribs, or 8 whole chickens in a single cook. The temperature range runs from 250 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Meaning you can go from low and slow smoking to high heat searing without changing equipment. And that quick sear cast iron sear plate built into the top of the hopper? It's perfect for finishing steaks with a restaurant quality crust. Connect the Masterbuilt app to monitor up to 4 meat probes, track temperatures over time, and get alerts, all from inside your home. The Traeger Woodridge Pro. Launched in January 2025, this is Traeger's most advanced mid-range pellet grill ever, and after months of real-world testing and research, I can tell you it's a serious upgrade. Let's start with the size. You're getting 970 square inches of cooking space, enough to smoke 9 racks of ribs, 7 whole chickens, or 7 pork butts in a single cook. The fully digital controller keeps temperatures precise from 180 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. And independent reviewers confirmed it holds temperature within just 15 degrees throughout the entire cook. That's tighter control than most budget grills that swing 25 to 30 degrees. This is what makes it a true set-it-and-forget-it machine. The standout feature that separates the Woodridge Pro from the base model is Super Smoke Mode. Hit one button and the grill floods your food with maximum hardwood smoke at low temperatures between 165 degrees Fahrenheit and 225 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for brisket, pulled pork, and ribs that need deep, rich smoke penetration. Wi-Fi technology connects the grill to the Traeger app, letting you adjust temperature, track pellet levels with the digital pellet sensor, monitor up to 4 meat probes, and even activate Keep Warm mode, all from your couch or your office. And when the cook is done, the easy clean grease and ash keg collects everything in one single container. No mess, no fuss. One long-term owner summed it up perfectly after 8 months and over 100 cooks. This grill gives you 90% of what the expensive Traeger flagship models offer at a fraction of the price. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, the Traeger Woodridge Pro is the smart buy for anyone ready to take their backyard barbecue to the next level. The Masterbuilt electric portable charcoal grill and smoker is one of the most innovative portable grills on the market right now, and today I'm breaking down exactly why. The technology behind this grill is what makes it special. At its core is the charcoal mini hopper, a compact hopper that holds 1.5 pounds of briquettes or 1 pound of lump charcoal for up to 4 hours of cooking on a single load. The steady temp dial controls an electric fan that automatically blows more or less air onto the coals as needed, regulating the temperature for you across a wide range of 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. No manually adjusting vents. No fiddling with dampers. You simply turn the dial to your target temperature, whether you're smoking low and slow or grilling a steak at high heat, and the fan keeps it locked in. It runs on a standard power cord or 4 AA batteries, so you're not tied to an outlet. Real-world testers confirmed a full rack of ribs fits on the 200-square-inch porcelain-coated grate, and the grill comfortably feeds 4 people with room for 9 burgers or 15 sausages at a time. The quick collapse cart folds up fast for transport, and the lockable lid means you don't need to dump the ash before you move. Just close it up and go. 2 side shelves with built-in beverage holders give you prep space and a spot for your drink, making this feel less like a portable grill and more like a full outdoor cooking setup that happens to go wherever you do. It works on a power cord or 4 AA batteries, so you're never stuck without options. Real charcoal flavor, gas grill convenience, true portability. The Masterbuilt electric portable charcoal grill and smoker delivers all 3.